How to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. If you want to create a slideshow video using pictures, music, and transitions, this video will show you how to do it in CapCut. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Click Import and select all the images you want to use in your video. Now add your images to the timeline and choose the appropriate ratio for your video. Use 16.9 for YouTube videos or 9.16 for TikTok and other vertical content. To add music, download a royalty-free track from a trusted source and import the MP3 file into CapCut. Drag the music onto the timeline, then use the split tool to remove any unwanted sections. You can also adjust the volume so the music isn't too loud. Once you're happy with your slideshow, click Export in the top right corner. Make sure audio is enabled. Choose your resolution, select the export location, and click Export again. That's how you can make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.